Hi, I'm Colin, and today we're going to go over the 4 steps to install Perma-Paver Edging. The first step is to prep your area. We have a small little demonstration area here. We made sure that our wet sand was wet so we could pull it away nice and clean. And we're going to apply our Perma-Edge directly on top of that exposed gravel for good retention. Now we're going to move on to step 2, which is mixing the Perma-Edge. All we have to do is take our bucket, dump it in a wheelbarrow. And the cool thing about using Perma-Edge is there's already a pre-established amount of water you need. All you have to do is measure 3 inches from the bottom of your bucket, make a hard line with a Sharpie or something, or just measure it with your tape once the water's in there. And that will be the perfect amount of water for your Perma-Edge. You don't have to worry about adding more cement or adding more water. It's just the right amount of water. We've mixed our Perma-Paver edging together. It looks perfect. Now we can move on to step 3, which is placing it around the perimeter of our stones and troweling it out. One cool thing about Perma-Paver edging is you only need about a 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch of embedment of the paver, opposed to other types of edge restraint where you need a little bit more. It leaves a little bit more room for dirt and grass to be there. Also, the rule of thumb is that you only need to use a 4-inch trowel to make your edge 4 inches wide. Step 4 is going to be tamping your stones or compacting them if they can be, and covering up your edges with either decorative bark, round rock, or soil with some grass seed. So the advantages of using Perma-Edge versus traditional concrete edge restraint is, one, that you can use a lot less of it. So you can go, usually you'd have at least a 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch retention on standard concrete. You can use half of that with Perma-Edge and go down to about a 1/2 inch of retention. It is 600% more flexible than traditional bagged concrete. So obviously when you have a flexible system like paving stones, you want them to have as much flexibility as possible. That's mainly because of the fibers integrated in the Perma-Edge, which is another advantage. The fibers will help keep that one solid piece over time versus traditional concrete that will break and separate and not look good. Those are the 4 steps on how to install Perma-Edge. If you want to know anything else about how to install paving stones, retaining wall, or related questions, we have videos and blogs at our website, DIYwithWI.com.